Okay, it's day 3 of Dr. Jen's Carnivore challenge. So today what I'm going to do is some grilled chicken thigh meat. This stuff is from Aldi. They don't always have it, but this brand, One Fine, man, it is just incredibly good chicken. It really is great stuff. So if you have it around you, try it. So as you can see, my grill pan's smoking hot. In the back, I've got curry powder and some butter and some garlic. So you just want to cook the rawness, out of that. And I'm going to add some cream as my sauce and a little salt and pepper and stuff. But as you can see, it's smoking. So I'm going to go ahead and throw the chicken down. And I'll grill that till it's finished on both sides. And cook down some cream sauce. And then I've got some chopped cilantro, and I'm going to add that last second. I'll be back. Hey, Bart. Sauce done. Chicken needs to cool off. It's cooking. The hot pan is on. Give it a couple more minutes. Slice it up. So this curry sauce is great if it's a little bit sweet. You can use some Splenda. You can use some honey. You can use a little bit of sugar, whatever you like. But I like that curry sauce a little bit sweet. We got salt, pepper in there, garlic. Cook down the curry paste or the curry powder because it's raw. It just tastes better if you cook it a little bit. Almost ready. So I add a little cottage cheese. Make sure that when you add cottage cheese that you get not the low fat, because that's got too many carbs in it. So here's my sauce, my curry and cream. I add a little bit of Splenda to it to make it sweet, and I'm going to add my cilantro, and there you go. Low carb, sweet curry and chicken. Carnivore. Friendly. Good stuff. Maynard. Bye.